How to change your primary country or region on Instagram. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can change your country on Instagram. So the first step for you guys to do this is to try and make sure your account is not on personal account. So if you already created your account, just switch to go to your three-line menu showing above your screen. When you click that, click on where it says settings and privacy. When you do that, just look for where it says business and tools. So when you click on business and tools, just go ahead and click on where it says switch account type. So just click on switch account type, and you'll be seeing here where it's showing you switch to personal or switch to business or switch to creator. So just go ahead and switch to business. I've already done that. That's why that option is not showing me right there. But if you've not switched to your business account, it's going to be showing here, guys. So when you do this, I want you to go back to your profile section. When you go back to your profile section, click on where it says edit profile. Now here is the catch, guys. To make this work perfectly, I would advise you connect your phone to a Wi-Fi. So do not use your SIM card. Just connect to a Wi-Fi. When you connect to a Wi-Fi, go to your app store and download this application called Winscribe. So search for this application called Winscribe. Go ahead and download this application called Winscribe, guys. This application showing here. As you can see, guys, I already have the application. So when you download that, make sure you connect to a Wi-Fi device. When you connect to a Wi-Fi device, go ahead and click on where it says contact information. So when you click on contact information, here where it says business address, go ahead and select the business address and select the town and the state you want, the city and the town. So you can change your location here, add your business email, add your phone number, but just go ahead and do this, guys. So when you do this while connecting to your VPN and your SIM card is not active, so make sure there's no SIM card or your SIM card is not active. So if it's active, turn it on and connect to a Wi-Fi device. So when you do this, guys, the location of your Instagram account is going to be switched to the location you set to as your business. So when you do this, guys, make sure you quit the application before you turn off your Wi-Fi. So when you do this, guys, it's going to be working perfectly. So if this video is helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button.